you've been waiting. Know you've been praying for my soul. Oh, 30 years you've been dragging your feet, telling me I'm the reason we're stagnant. 30 years you've been claiming you're honest and promising progress, well where's it at? I don't want you to feel like a failure. I know this hurts, but I gave you your chance to deliver. Now it's my turn. Don't get me wrong, nature had a great run, but it's time to give the people something different. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce my hope. What's my definition of success? Listening to what your heart says, standing up for what you know is while everybody else is talking it to between your legs. What's my definition of success? Creating something no one else could. Being brave enough to dream big. Even when you're told to just quit. Doing more when you got nothing left. It's a person that I'm taking chance on. Something that we're talking never happened. It's a person that can see the bright side through the dark times when they're able. It's a someone who ain't never had nothing and afraid to walk away from more power because they rather do something that they really love and take the pay cut. It's a person that will never waver or change who they are just to try and gain some credibility so they can feel accepted by a stranger. It's a person that can take the fires in their life and turn them into motivation. It's believing in yourself when no one else does. It's amazing what a little bit of faith can't do. If you don't even believe in you, why would you think or expect anybody else that's around you to? I done did things that I regret. I done said things I can't take back. Was a lost soul at a crossroad who had no hope, but I changed that. I spent the rest of my life holding on to things I never should have kept, full of hatred. The rest of my life carrying a lot of baggage that I should have walked away from. The rest of my life wishing I was someone different, looking for some validation. The rest of my life trying to feel a pocket, thinking I was shit. They get it. There's a necessary evil, difficult to go through, yet but beneficial. So much everything the mental breakdown is a negative thing, which I'm looking at. But on the other hand, it was the push I needed to get help and start to heal the process. See if I didn't know hit my bottom, would I be the person that I am today? I don't believe so. I'm a perfect example of what happens when you choose to not accept defeat and pressure. Then you took me down and used to realize that if you want to get that opportunity to be the greatest version of yourself, sometimes you gotta be someone you're not to hit the voice of reason. Have them to make you really take a step back and look in the mirror. At least for me, that's what it did. I wake up every day and pick my son up, hold him in my arms and let him know he's loved. Now I'm standing by the window questioning if that is ever going to show up. Isn't something he's gonna have to worry about. Don't get it twisted, that was in the shop. Mama, I forgive you, I just don't want him to grow up thinking that he'll never be enough. 30 years ago